Oh my gosh, you guys, so good morning and we are so excited because guess what, today is launch day for part 2 of our Glowhead Ink product hair care line. So of course, you all know, we already talked about this, that combined experience between my business partner and I is over 40 plus years in the salon industry, right? One thing for sure that we've seen over time that really has not gone away is alopecia, whether that's traction alopecia or hereditary alopecia. Traction alopecia comes from just wearing the same style over and over and that tension on the hairline, or whether it's from improper application of weaves, braids, extensions, and that pulling, that tension breakage and tension alopecia. So what we wanted to do was come up with a line of products that would safely allow licensed stylists and those that are pros at home, right? Because we know so many people are pros at doing hair. Licensed doesn't mean, I mean, some people that do hair untrained, sometimes they're better than the trained, you know, it just depends, you know, but anyway, I digress. So we wanted to create a line so you could safely apply your hair extensions, safely remove the hair extensions, because that's where the damage comes from. It comes from improper application, right? And using things that are not designed for application, right? Like super glue and gorilla glue. Those things are not designed for our hair, you know. Or when people get lashes and they use latex glue, which isn't even designed to be near the eye area, you know. So we wanted to bring back a professional line of products so that people can properly and professionally, whether at home or in a salon environment or in a professional spa environment, take care and concern with their own hair, but specifically with the public's hair and with their customers' hair. So we have created an incredible line of wig and lace care products for you to apply and remove for adhesion to the hair. And then we've also created for my gray girls, my gray and white hair girls. So I've embraced my white hair. It's not even gray. My hair went from dark brown, almost black, to gray, like lickety split. Right? And so I don't care. I love having gray hair. I love having gray edges. Sometimes I want to cover it up depending on if I'm doing photos or things like that. So guess what else we have come up with? We have come up with it's a colored hairspray, right? So we work with a manufacturer. We're starting out with dark brown because that's the majority of we felt like our clients would be that we would come in contact with first. So we have a dark brown spray, and we also have a dark brown hairpin where you can brush it on and it's portable and you can take it with you. And then one of the other products for the wig and lace front product line is a portable glue, so you can take that with you as well. So we've tried to take the thought process and put it. It's important to us because when I did want to cover my gray, guess what I was using? Mascara, like most people, right? So rather than use, or I was mainly mascara, but I've heard of people telling me they were using Sharpie markers. We are not doing that, right? So now you don't have to do that. You have a product specifically formulated. These the spray and the hair dye pen in the dark brown are also going to be perfect for those of you that are doing installs, right? So with the wig installs and the lace front installs, is going to allow you to dye the knots. So when you go to bleach the hair, if you're someone that's bleaching the wig bases, those of you that know what I'm talking about. So if you happen to bleach or over bleach, you're going to be able to dye the knots and create a seamless look with our hair dye pens. And we're going to have other colors coming out soon and launching over the summer, but we are so excited. I'm going to show you every last one of our products in great detail, and God be willing, our site will launch within the next 48 hours. Oh my gosh. You guys know, anybody that's designed a line of products or work with manufacturers, work with people overseas, work with graphics designers, you're dealing with a lot of different personality types. Can't make some of this stuff up. Ugh. I never considered not wanting to be a Jedi, but I've considered being Darth Vader and a Stormtrooper a couple of times. Maybe Darth Sidious and Darth Maul, but I don't know, right? I could see myself going to the dark side a couple of times during the launch of this product. But anyway, so excited to share these things with you guys. Stay tuned. Oh, who am I? I'm Garlinda Price. I'm the CEO of Glowhead Ink. I was going to say cosmetics. Glowhead Ink Hair Care line is because we own a cosmetics company. And my shout out to my COO, Rashida Potts. She owns Salon Glow by Rashida over on Ramsey Street. Just an incredible salon and spa. So anyway, stay tuned. What are we doing, sister? Yeah, this is the infamous Rashida, who you never see on my videos because she's too busy being famous on TikTok and Snapchat.
No,
I'm older, so I'm on Facebook. And YouTube. And Wiser, darling, Wiser.
So we are opening, unraveling our new wig line installation kit.
Yes. Come through, boo.
So, oh my God, we have everything you need to install a perfect unit.
And what classes are we going to be doing coming up?
We are going to do installation classes. We are going to do quick weave classes using our products. We are going to do lace frontals. And I'm super excited.
Whoop, whoop. Now, if somebody's not a licensed pro, can they use these products?
They definitely can.
This is for the kitchen titian.
Kitchen titians at home. I see a lot of that going on YouTube. Why not come to our classes and learn
The proper way to install
way to
so your
install.
clients here can be healthy.
Absolutely.
Right.
And I'd rather for my clients, the ones that receive an installation, go ahead and get it. I do want to share one product with you
Go
guys.
for it. Yo, this is what I deal with on a regular basis. This is 15 plus years of friendship.
Of foolery.
I said, Lord, how'd you put the two of us together?
Oh my God. I do want to share this right here.
Go for it.
I believe every diva needs this in their purse.
Yes.
This is our quick every diva boss chick that wears lace fronts needs this in their lives. Because I'm about to be transparent for you real quick. You going outside on a windy day and your stuff rises up. You need this. Boop, 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 boop.
That's it. To touch up your edges.
Touch up your edges. And this area over here always comes up quick.
Because of where the extra hair is.
Maybe glasses are pulling it. Your bands.
I didn't think about that.
Things that goes on. You sweat and it ends up being right here. So your temples raise up faster. So this pen, you need this in your life.
So that is our what?
This is our glue pen.
Yes.
And you just turn her up. Bloop, 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 bloop. Glue comes up.
Like a lipstick.
Not a whole lot. Do not put.
Okay.
It's going to come out white in color. But when you lay it on, push it down a little bit. Hold it, wrap it. I'll teach you how to do that. You're good to go.
So that's what I'm talking about, because that can go through TSA. Nobody's going to jail, right?
Nobody's going to jail.
So you can take it with you on vacation when you go to travel. Absolutely. Now, I would say that if you're worried about getting through TSA, put that in your suitcase. Right, versus your carry-on bag.
Put the right size and amount to go through TSA.
And it's perfect for summer since you're getting ready to be, it's going to be hot. People are going to be sweating.
Listen, when you rising up like Lazarus...
And on that note, we're getting back to business. Okay, Lazarus, come forth.
I just had to share this with you guys.
Love it.
Peace.
Be on the lookout.